What happened?
The crab. Can I see it?
Let's see. What's he doing?
He's pinching it.
What's that crab doing?
He's being mean.
He's being mean to who?
That fish.
Why is he being mean?
Because he likes to be mean.
Well, how's he being mean?
He's just pinching it.
Mm-hmm. Is the
Like
crab
this?
eating a dead fish?
Yeah. Like he's doing this.
Mm-hmm. What does that do?
That means he's pinching it.
Uh-huh.
You see my thumb?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretending to be a fish.
Okay.
Can we take him out?
Take who out?
That dead fish.
Well, the crab is eating him. I don't know. Probably.
Does he have a tail?
Who?
The crab.
No. Do crabs have tails?
What?
Do crabs have tails?
No.
Well, what's he gonna do? All right. Well, I hope the crab doesn't crawl out tonight and think your toe is a dead fish.
He does know. They stick to us. They don't pull off.
What doesn't pull off?
Toes.
So how does that make you feel with the crab and the fish?
Sad.
Why?
Because I don't like it anymore.
You don't like who?
The crab.
Why?